Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll to find the apps section. Now let's tap on apps and pick three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, at the very bottom we've got reset up preferences, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others the disabled app notifications and permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset and basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in this Honor device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.